Hi, it's Dan. It's my bike. Why? Second-hand gang, they were there. Do you want to fight? Hi, I'm Dan. This is my bike. We got ODI long necks with Renthal fat bars in gold with 800 millimeters wide. With a deity stem, not sure what make it is, well, brand, whatever it's called. Fox forks, floats, 36s, with custom pink stickers. Gotta love pink stickers. We got Halo twin rails with black sidewalls and white, well, they were white. Pink rims, black spokes, and a Dartmoor, what is it? A K-Drive. K-Drive in ice blue. And then we got the custom NS frame. Best bit about the bike. At Lucifer Designs did this. Pretty sick. United cranks with a Shadow bottom bracket. DMR pedals, V6 pedals. Then we got the profile seat. Don't have a seat post because it's integrated. Pretty cool. And the pink rim on the back, Halo twin rail on the front, back again. Ideal back hub, BMX back hub, not sure what. And then just Halfords chain, pretty savage. Hello. What seat? I said profile seat. Profile. It looked like profile to me, mate. I think that is... Oh, and prototype inner tubes. Only I've got these ones. Custom made. But the frame is the best bit. Love it. I can't see shit now, Sean. How bad was that? That was terrible, wasn't it? I didn't look at the camera once, I don't think. But I'm looking this way lots. What do you want me to do? I don't. I hate it. I don't like this bike. Shit. Why? Second-hand gang, they were there. No, it was just, there's no reason why I bought the parts. It's just, they broke, and then I fixed them. With the cheapest, well, not really the cheapest, but... Foxes, everybody loves Foxes. You can't go wrong with Foxes, especially 36. Do you want to fight? Adjustable rebound was pretty cool. Don't know if it works. Yeah, have you showed them? Yeah. Oh, the holes in you look through it and you just see the ground. It's kind of scary, but it's cool because it's got holes and everyone loves holes. Railing berms. No, was it? Railing ruts, shagging sluts, isn't it? What? Well, it's true. What else? It looks like this. It's me. What else is there to say? Oh yeah, shit, yeah. Forgot, I love Mountain Dew. So I've got it printed on the bottom of my frame. Because it's sick. Shall I go through the things I don't like? Yeah. There is nothing because it's sick. Yeah, I know, but I hate it because I love it so much. It's a love-hate relationship. I love it, he hates me. Sean, I don't do things on the spot. But what? I'm not a serious person. Fag Drago. So you can't do it. It's horrible.